YouTube, what's good, y'all, man? It's your boy Prince aka PKY, and I'm back with another video, man. As y'all can see, I got a tutorial for y'all today. It's a mid-fade tutorial, as y'all can see by the title and the thumbnail. So we're gonna dive right into it. As y'all can see, the video has already started. So I'm gonna come in with my clipper. I'm gonna set in my bald line. As y'all can see, I'm going around the hair, going all around the hair, create my first ball line, not my first guard line, my ball line. As y'all can tell, just ignore my voice right now. I just woke up not too long ago, so my voice is sounding kind of weird. That's why. But yeah, I'm gonna go around, create my ball line, then I'm gonna get rid of the excess hair because we don't need that. So I'm just gonna get rid of that. As y'all can see right now, make sure it's close to the skin. Get it really close to the skin. Usually I use my trimmer for this, but for my clients, most of the time I use the clipper because it's much easier. So I'll be switching from the clipper, from the trimmer to the clipper sometimes, and it's easy to use the clipper, I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, I'm gonna get rid of all the excess hair, as y'all can see. And yeah, man, so get rid of all the excess hair because we don't need it. Comb it down. Make sure it's nice and clean to the skin. And I'm gonna come in with my clipper open, create my first guideline. As y'all can see, we go up about an inch high because he wants the fade to go up a little bit higher. So we go about an inch high. So whenever I'm cutting my hair, I listen to my clients what they want and I do for them. So go about an inch high. We're gonna go all around the hair, his head, as y'all can see. As I'm cutting, I'm going to be spinning him around, and you know what I'm saying, going around, go all over his head. But yeah, go about an inch high. Sometimes if the client per the client's request, you go about an inch or go about half an inch per the client's request. We do what the clients wants, right? As barbers, you listen to the clients because he's paying for the service. So you do whatever he asks you to do. But yeah, we're gonna go around his head as I did to the ball line. So this is the clipper open, 1 inch, create our first guard line. And yeah, man, we go all around the head, spinning him around, going around the head. Make sure everything is even. Then we're gonna come in with my one guard all the way open. Go about an inch high again. That's creating my second guard line, as y'all can see and tell. So yeah, man, you have to come. So I come in all the way open all the time because, like I've been saying, man, this is my philosophy when I'm cutting my hair, bro. When I'm cutting hair, not just my hair. When I'm cutting anybody's hair, always coming with your clipper open because you can cut hair off, but you can't put it back on. That is my number one philosophy whenever I'm cutting hair. But yeah, man, we're gonna go another inch high with the one guard, create a second guard line. Then, you know what I'm saying, I'm gonna clean up the hair on my clipper because sometimes it be building up. So I'm gonna go in, make sure everything is even around his head. So y'all can already see the fade coming in a little bit. And yeah, man, we're gonna go all around the hair. Y'all can see I was adjusting the camera a little bit because I was making sure y'all could see. But yeah, man, always clean all your clipper whenever doing in the middle of haircuts because the hair be building on the clipper and it's not good. It resists the blades from cutting properly. But yeah, y'all can see going all around the head. Then I'm gonna come in with my 1.5 guard, lever all the way open as well. Go about an inch high. I'm not even going about an inch high. As y'all can see, I'm using all the flick out motion and I'm just flicking out the hair, creating shape around his head. This is not really any technique. Well, the flick out motion is a technique, but I'm not really cutting too much hair off. I'm just flicking out, creating shape, blending into the top of his head. And we're gonna come in. Yeah, we're still on the 1.5 guard, so we're gonna go all around as well, using the flick out motion. I'm not really cutting too much hair off. And then we're gonna come in and start blending our work together. As y'all can see where I'm pointing with the hair, I'm blending in the very bottom, the ball line that I created when I first started with a clipper. So I'm gonna ball that in. I'm gonna close the clipper a little bit halfway. Not even halfway, like a little bit close, like half an inch, close to like an inch. And I'm just gonna blend in that ball line from the very bottom of the hair of his head. Go all around. I'm just gonna be going all around. Same thing. So right now I'm just, the lines that I created, I'm gonna blend all the lines together to create the fade. That's how, you know what I'm saying, barbers blend everything together. But my technique and the way I blend might be different from other barbers, but this is how I do mine. So yeah. After that is done, I'm gonna come with my 0.5 guard and I'm gonna blend in my second guard line. Clipper halfway closed. So I'm gonna come with my clippers halfway closed and I'm gonna blend in. As y'all can see right now, that's what I'm doing. Blend all around. I go all around so I do not forget some parts. So everything is even around his head. As y'all can see right now, that's what I'm doing. So yeah. I always come with the clipper. Like I said, sometimes I do come with the clipper all the way open, even with the guards on. Like I said, you can always cut hair off, but you cannot put it back on. So I do be careful sometimes, because you know what I'm saying, I don't want to cut someone and they be like, oh, why did you do this? Why did you cut my hair off too low? And all that. So I be really careful with how I use my clipper and everything. So I'm gonna come in my clipper open this time, and I'm gonna use my corners, as y'all can tell right here, to blend in the lines. So I've already blended in with the guards, but sometimes I come in with my clipper all the way open and just use the corners of the blade and just like kind of slide in through the hair. Pause, but slide in through the hair, and just it helps. It's a very good technique that I don't know if any barber uses this technique, but when I kind of learned this myself, I kind of taught myself this, so I use this every time. But yeah, then I'm gonna come in with my one guard again, blend in the top of the hair, going into the top, which y'all can see right there. My client and I are having a little conversation right there. So as y'all can tell, it's good to have, you know what I'm saying, to build a relationship with your client. You know, like that's how whenever you cut their hair, and they don't only like the hair, they don't only like your service, but it's also the relationship you build with them, the conversations y'all have and stuff like that. So yeah. So now I'm blending in his beard. I just finished the fade, as y'all can tell, but it's looking rough right now, but everything's gonna come together once I put the line up and everything together. So right now I'm blending the beard. So the beard, there's not really nothing to it. It's just a reverse taper or a reverse blend. So it's like the same steps, the same guard lines as I use with the fade. That's what I use the same steps and the guard lines to blend the beard. There's nothing different compared to how I blend. So compared to how I blend the actual hair, it's the same thing. It's just a reverse blend. So you can see I'm getting the beard nice and clean, combing it out. Always comb it out so you can restart again. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. So I'm gonna finish this side and do that side. The left side of his beard as well. Now I'm gonna come in and put the line up, as y'all can see. So whenever I'm doing the lineup, I do start from the middle of the head, as I've been telling y'all. If you watch any of my previous tutorials, y'all would know. But if this is your first time watching, I do start in the middle. Excuse me. I do start in the middle of the hair. Then I go from right to left or left to right. I'm pretty comfortable with cutting hair right now because I've been cutting hair for a minute now, so I'm pretty comfortable with that. So yeah, I start from the middle, then I go from right to left or left to right, whichever way you feel comfortable. For me, like I said, I'm pretty comfortable with it, so I can go either way. But yeah, man. And also when you're lining up, don't be afraid to cut the hair, bro. Like y'all can see, I'm literally kind of like using my thumb to like pinch the clipper. I mean the trimmer, as y'all can tell right here. Like I'm pinching it. I'm actually cutting her off to make sure the line pops. Do not be scared to, you know what I'm saying, to cut the hair off, but do not cut too much off. So right now I'm gonna come in with a razor, and I'm gonna line up the razor. Helps the line up pop and gives it a little bit definition. So that's what I'm doing right now. Make sure the lineup is crisp, like you probably heard a lot of people say like the lineup is crisp. But yeah, that's what the razor helps you do. I'm gonna line up his corners as well. Go into his C cup, as y'all can see right there. Excuse me, y'all. But yeah, line up his beard. But also, when you're using the razor, you gotta make sure you pull the client's skin, or even your skin. You gotta make sure you pull your skin to the other direction to make sure you don't cut yourself. Excuse me, y'all. But yeah, as soon as that's done, I'm just gonna spray. You know, this is an after cut spray. Go around the hair. Then I'm gonna clean my client, make sure he's clean and everything before I actually take the cape off. And also after I take the cape off, I'm gonna clean him again, just to make sure he doesn't have any excess hair on him after the cut. Feel me? But yeah, this is the cut, as y'all can see. Let me know what y'all think below, down in the comments below. Rate the cut from 1 to 10, from on the scale 1 to 10. As y'all can see, I'm still talking to my client. It's good to talk, have a conversation. Because if you're just cutting his hair and just like being so serious, it's gonna be boring. So it's good to have conversations with your clients and stuff like that. Builds a good relationship between you two. But yeah, man, as y'all can see, that's the cut. Like I said, let me know down in the comments what y'all think. Rate the cut from 1 to 10 on the scale of 1 to 10. Yeah, I'm just gonna brush that down. Y'all see, I got my boy back in the game, as y'all can tell, man. Like, he was looking rough when we started, but got him clean, put him back in the game, you know what I'm saying? Back in the player's game. No, I'm just playing. But yeah, as y'all can see, it's a nice mid fade, blurry. As y'all can see, this was before my boy was looking rough. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. He needed me to bring him back to life. But y'all can see, this is the haircut. Let me know what y'all think, man. It's your boy Prince, aka PKY. I'm gonna catch y'all in another video, man. As y'all can see, boy's looking clean. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. Y'all
bye. Come back again soon, okay?